end up from this catastrophe. I keep about 10 on my side that's always down to blasphemy. I come from a society that's known to race who's violently. If you feel like I feel, then just put your strap in the sky with me and quickly bust a couple of raps. I do this for my homies that got separated through the prison systems cause they found. My homies that I grew up with don't give a shit, and I'm a product of the same. So they think I'm next to slit through no hesitation, busting their faces. They got me feeling trapped like a motherfucking animal stuck in cages. But I'm dangerous, far from the basic. My mind is on some other shit. Every day I'm waking, thinking expansion, how to cover real. I stay shaking fools like Reggie Bush does on gang day. Haters talking loud behind my back, a smile in my face. I stand 6 foot, 100 pounds, kick a pencil, dark brown. Motherfuckers see me quick to bow down. I came from the bottom to the top. I got a heart that's about as solid as a rock. So what you know about me? I came from the brain with these thoughts. I'm like a train without no brakes, I just can't stop. So what you know about me? Fools know that I'm a rider for mine. Came up with these crimes at the time. What you know about me? Broadcasting live from the high, blowing up right in front of your eyes. So fools can know about me. I gave him 5 solo albums, 3 compilations, 2 mixtapes, clowning. And never take breaks. Still in the same streets, different ride, different vibe, different leather, different place. I drop disc after disc, dodge hit after hit, stack chip after chip. Never slip when I'm packing a clip. Now ask any other homies who supplies a hood the most stress, and who supplies the most stress to the infamous notorious label. Fools be looking all sour cause I come to disable. Ain't no favor when I come evil stuck. Fools be spending more time in the mirror, getting their eyebrows cut. That's that I ain't with that gay shit. I come in the straight clips. Just when they thought that they caught my style, that's when I change shit. Homie, I'm number 1 with the bullet. It made me want the things different. Bitches now feeling foolish, I can't do. I came from the bottom to the top. I got a heart that's by the side as a rock. So what you know about me? I came from the brain with these thoughts. I'm like a train without no brakes, I just can't stop. So what you know about me? Fools know that I'm a rider for mine. Came up with these crimes at the time. What you know about me? Broadcasting live from the high, blowing up right in front of your eyes. So fools can know about me. How many times does it take to find in my mind state? Just multiplying, I'm on the rise like a crime break. I play at high stakes, I just can't lose now. I just can't fold until they leave added and rules now. Having conversations with the voices in my head, knowing every day if I make the wrong choices that I'm dead. I got a lot to lose, I got a lot of reasons to live, and at the same time I got fools wanting to split my wig. I got haters on my own side, wanting to see me fall, wanting to see me die. No mama, please don't cry. Round 1. They swinging but they miss me. I duck and uppercut them with the left and then they history. The shit be influenced by some sick heat, a sick breed. Homie, they never let my clique breathe. I used to follow in the footsteps of them homies with them bottles and them models. Packing them fuscas full of hollows, los asesinos in them regals, slanging them kilos, packing 22s in my all-white feelers. But now I'm rolling patrolling and strolling the hood in something German, man. Sporting these diamonds and smoking this kush, homie, I'm living extra pain. Escalate with rims about as big as this shit could fit on some young, brown and dangerous, criminalistic baller shit. I'm like a modern day Lucky Luciano, living on some ball shit, just like Tony Soprano. That's it, it's obvious. My audience just keeps climbing while I'm in something diamond, Southern Cali residing. Cause I ride while you brothers switch sides, running high, no pride, scared as fuck, don't wanna collide. Cause I'm ballin', while these other fools are falling, perpetrating, stalling, all up on my balls. Cause I'm climbing. Not like you. Never hide it and I still do it. Just listen to the music, them high-powered folks be coming and with the focus, but now I bomb first like Pac, I drop heat. Playing, plotting, strategize my shit in the streets. Creeping on the come up just like Bone Thugs back in 93. Having a gang of homies that are quickly down to ride with me. And you can find me in Cali smoking on bomb weed, standing taller than them Southern California palm trees. I'm probably strapped when you see me faded as I roll through them Southern California streets, G. Everybody wants to be a Kırgızistan, Türkiye, Hindistan, Hükümet'te birinci